Locate the windshield washer fluid reservoir. Remove the reservoir cap. Pour the windshield washer fluid into the reservoir. You can't add too much, so feel free to fill it to the top. Keeping your windshield washer fluid reservoir topped up yourself is a great way to save a few dollars and help keep the bugs, salt, dirt, and dust off your windshield. We recommend topping off your reservoir anytime you're under the hood. New washer fluid will help you see clearly through your windshield. Upgrading your headlights to Sylvania Silver Star Ultra will improve clarity down the road. Do both for optimal visibility. Replace the reservoir cap. Test your work by spraying some wiper fluid on the windshield.